Jatend piny owacho migosi Uhuru Kenyatta kanyakla kod ogai mar ODM kawuono niendi ne oromo kod jood bura mago eko mabende sani koro siro paro mar Azimio la Umoja manoendo e kar jot mar loch ma pacho kaendi kata State House sama bende koro ne gikwayogi ka ginyisogi ni koro gisebedo ka koro gitimo maber ahinya e wechego eko mag loko chike. Sama bende nowacho ni koro gima duong' ahinya en kaka ng'ano ma en jago ma Jubilee en gi mor malich ka koro oganda jo Kenya obet kendo gintiere e achiel. Ne omedo loso kowacho ni gik ma kamago ber mondo mi olosi sechego eko bende ne nitiere mano mane en ogai mar ODM migosi Raila Odinga ma bende nomedo yango ne jotelo go eko ni weche mag loko chike timre kinde ka kinde e pinje mathoth e piny mangima. Omiyo gima piny Kenya timo mar loko chike kuom sani endi mar weche mago eko mag duond od buche ok en gima mono kata gima pok otimre kamoro amora.
Able to take this opportunity to thank you from the bottom of my heart for the commitment, especially those of you of the National Assembly, showed during this holiday period. We all know that it was a very difficult holiday period because of all the challenges of COVID and many other things. And people had the opportunity to say, let me just stay away and look after myself. But you turned out in huge numbers. You left your homes, you left your families, came out in huge numbers to pass a couple of pieces of legislation that are going to be a game changer. The passage of the anti-money laundering bill, for example, will ensure that we are able to continue being part of the international financial system and to have a respected banking system that can only help improve and mature.
Lawmaking and even constitutional making is always work in progress. Even the oldest constitution, democratic constitution of the United States of America, is still work in progress. And you've got several amendments which they all the times quote you, Amendment 5, Fifth Amendment, Sixth Amendment, and so on and so forth. So there's really, it's not a crime for somebody to see something is wrong in our constitution or in our law that we need to change, because it only makes things better. They say that a good idea always yields to a better idea, and a better idea would yield to the best idea. So what you guys are doing is basically trying to improve governance in our country. So we really want to thank you very, very sincerely for what you did.